What's up, you guys? Tron TRX has made it onto the stock market. Told you guys, mainstreaming coming, and it's coming big. Now, before I get into it, couple things. Usually I use Cointelegraph, my most favorite news website. I'm going to use it again this morning, but I'm going to use it with their Twitter because for some reason their website's going completely crazy today. There's a lot of 404 errors. However, you are not going to be subjected to the 404 errors. So if you're wondering why I'm using their Twitter, that's why. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you very, very much. Don't forget to comment down below. I love your comments. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what's on your mind in the crypto stratosphere. And let me know if you agree or disagree with a lot of what I'm coming up with during the video today. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe because you're not going to want to miss truly interesting insights and news and opinions that are ahead of the curve, very unique in the industry, and will leave you better than when you got here. So kindly hit the bell, subscribe, hit those notifications, share the videos, and hit the like button. Now we'll get into it. So Europe's largest stock exchange has actually listed Tron TRX, and I'm sure a lot of you never thought you'd see the day where something like this would happen, and I've talked about it in my past videos. And for those of you that are going to say, well, big deal, the stock price, well, the coin price rather, is not doing much of anything today. Well, that's true, but you know what? It's a lot of powerful drips that are going to move the tide and move the current. As I've been saying, we got recently BTTC for Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, but BitTorrent rather. We've got Just Lens. We've got lots of GameFi coming around the corner. We got DeFi. There's a lot going on in the industry, a lot going on with Tron TRX and BitTorrent, and GameFi and DeFi is going to be huge. This listing is going to be huge, and it's going to be a combination of a bunch of things that are going to send Tron and BitTorrent into the stratosphere. So I'm going to get into the stock listing and some good news. And I know a few of you were commenting, I think last week, saying, where's the news, where's the news? Well, he had said that the news was going to be out this week, not last week, as far as I know. But listen, it's good to be anxious for the news to come out. It's finally out, and it's another, if we were rock climbing, I would say it's another peg in the big wall towards the climb, towards a lot of people, including myself, and all you guys out there and gals, mostly guys, not too many gals watch this channel, being really, really YOLO happy, except it's not going to feel like a YOLO because it's not going to be, in my opinion, the big risk that comes with a lot of YOLOs. The only risk here is your patience running out. So I'm going to go and do a little dance through the news. First, let's check out and see. We got Bitcoin doing what I said, sitting at 43,000. Again, been saying it for months, even before the crash. You're going to see range bound 30 to 45,000 for the rest of the year. And I'll say, as I've been saying often, no, I'm not bearish. I am very, very bullish on Bitcoin and on the industry. I just feel that you're not going to see 100 grand Bitcoin till next year. You're going to see range-bound trading for the rest of 2021 between 30 to 45,000. And yes, it may go to 48,000 or 50,000 again, but what I mean when I say that is that 45,000 is the consistent high, in my opinion, for 2021. I also spoke briefly and have done so in the past few weeks about Doge. And I've said that Doge is going to get hammered down before its next ascend. I said that at 32 cents. We got a Doge sitting now at, this was a few weeks ago, 21 cents. I do see a little bit more downside before it does its next ascend. Remember, those of you that rely heavily on charts, charts are not everything. Quants are not everything with stocks. It's a combination of things, and the media, the way marketing is done, along with the charts, along with very voracious news trends, tsunamis that push things up and down, you need to know how to judge all these variables. And again, yes, we're a Tron TRX BitTorrent BTT channel. However, there's a lot of cryptos out there, so we do and we will talk about other cryptos from time to time. I see Doge hitting its lows or close to maybe 17 cents before it does its next big ascend, and I do believe it's going to have a big ascend, by the way. We got Polkadot at 29.63. We got Cardano at $2.11. Cardano is approaching, in my opinion, a very heavy-duty buy signal soon. We got Avalanche at $60.31. Where's Tron sitting? I think Tron's around 9 cents. Yep, 9.93 actually. 0.093. We got, I see Tron tipping and clipping 12 cents again, and I do see within the next 60 days, I do see a double in Tron, by the way, just so you guys know. Look out for that. And I see a BitTorrent hitting a penny by the end of this year. We're sitting at 0.003 right now. And let's go on and take a look at Europe's largest stock exchange to list Tron. It's actually listing today. Today's the 21st, September 21st, 2021. It's currently 6:10 a.m. I will upload this zippity quick as soon as I'm done. So this will probably be up in real time around, I don't know, 6:15, 6:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time today, the 21st. So, global fund manager Van Eck has also launched Solana and Polkadot ETNs on Deutsche Börse, etc. Maybe I butchered etc. Did I? Didn't I? Check it out if you care enough. So we got Tron, the cryptocurrency created by Chinese entrepreneur Justin Sun, has made its way onto Deutsche Börse, Europe's largest stock exchange, in the form of a VanEck issued exchange-traded note (ETN). The company's announced on Monday. If you don't know what an ETN is, just look it up, Google it. Google is your mother, Google is your friend. Not going to get into the explanations of this, at least not today. As well as a Tron ETN VTRX global fund manager. VanEck also launched Sol and DOT ETNs. The products are being listed on Deutsche on Monday, with trading to commence on Tuesday. That's today, according to Van Eck. So that's very, very cool. And we got another article, same thing, CoinQuora. We got something interesting. You know how I say, and I've said this during videos too, that usually new technology, new things that happen either come from existing things that are just improved on. For example, television. Well, the internet is a TV with millions of channels and it is interactive. Television did not have millions of channels, was not interactive, but produced a very large amount of output in terms of information to the masses in the, what a lot of people call, the olden days. So the internet's a spin-off of that, modern day TV, and some things, although weren't created, were conceptualized way back when, before they came to fruition. This is interesting, I didn't know this. 100 years ago, Henry Ford proposed energy currency to replace gold. I'm going to get to the news in a minute. Bitcoin appears to meet the definition of an energy-backed currency proposed by the famed American inventor during the interbellum period. In 1921, American industrialist Henry Ford proposed the creation, I have a tickle in my throat, of an energy currency that could form the basis of a new monetary system, offering striking similarities to the peer-to-peer electronic cash system outlined in Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper. On December 4th, 1921, the New York Tribune published an article outlining Ford's vision of replacing gold with an energy currency that he believed could break the banking elite's grip on global wealth and put an end to wars. He intended to do this by building the world's greatest power plant and creating a new energy system based on units of power. Very interesting. So we'll fly through quickly here. We got Solana attributes major outage to denial of service. We got miners with ironclad hands. We've got the suspected attacker has collected stolen assets on an address after exploiting the V finance. Not too much, news. I think our Tron news kind of overpowers everything today because it's big news, but just for fun. Senator Warren's office confuses MakerDAO for failed 2016 project with the DAO. It's funny how the government does these things. Anyhow, that's it. Hope you're healthy, happy, and I will see you on the next video. I hope.